Okay, I'm going to show you an example with a 10-inch quarter circle because my paper isn't very big. So I'm going to measure out, I'm going to line up the edge of my ruler with the end of the paper, measure out 10 inches and mark that. And then I'm going to do the same with the top of what will be the quarter circle. Line up my ruler to the edge or to the bottom and measure out 10 inches. And then all you do from here is make sure that the end of your ruler matches up with the bottom of your paper, in the corner there, and make a couple marks in an arc at 10 inches. So you'll see how I do that here. I'm just moving it up 10 inches, and I do that a couple more times. And then all you'll do from here is really play connect the dots. So you're gonna just sketch from one line to another and try to make it as quarter circle-y as possible. And I'm just going to go over that line with a Sharpie just so you can see it extra clear. And now you've got your quarter circle template.